to the children of class 9 Oak. Okay, can you hear me, children? की शुरू हाँ हाँ children, can you hear me? Yes, okay. Just tell me that how many questions, or what was the last question which I have made you write? What is this? What was the last question which I have made you write, dear? Any one of you, please kindly. Anybody of you please take up the initiative to just inform me that which was the last question which I have made you write? The last one. Yes, who became the president of Zimbabwe after independence? Okay, thank you very much. And together with this, just tell me, what did his government do to remain in power? Did I make you write this answer? It was a question together, that who became the president of Zimbabwe, question mark, what did his government do to remain in power? This was the second part of the question. So did I make you, okay, answer is also written, okay, thank you very much, dear. Now move on to the next question. Right. What are the arguments what are the arguments in support of democracy? Full question mark. That means why this question means that why democracy is regarded to be the best form of government. For that, you know, there are certain arguments or certain points which suggests or which tells us why democracy is the best form of government. So I am going to make you write that particular answer. So please write down the answer. Right. There is, THERE, there is no doubt, 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 there is no doubt to the fact, there is no doubt to the fact that democracy is the best form of government in the world. Full stop. The arguments put forward in support of democracy are as follows. After that, after follows you put a colon. Colon means one dot over the other. This is colon. Then you change the line and write sub-point 1. Change the line and sub-point 1. Right. This will be sub-point 1. Right. A democratic government is always accountable, accountable, accountable to the people of the country. Full stop. Point number 2. Sub-point 2, right? In a democracy, comma, laws are made upon the demands or wishes, WISHES, wishes of the people. Full stop. As such, comma, better decisions are made. Full stop. Point number 3, subpart 3. Write the answer, right? A democratic state can best, B-E-S-T, best deal, D-E-A-L, deal with differences and conflicts as it is based on public opinion. Full stop. Point number 4. Right. A democratic government enhances enhances the prestige prestige of the common people as it is the vote of the common people, as it is the vote of the common people which decides the party which would form the government. Full stop. And one more point. Right. In a democracy, comma, the citizens are given certain basic rights and freedoms. Full stop. Next question. Look, what are the arguments against democracy? Now we will see that there are certain arguments which are against democracy. Against democracy, question mark. Now write down the answer. Right. Democracy although democracy, after democracy put a comma. Democracy, comma, although accepted, ACCEPTED, accepted as the best form of as the best form of government, comma, is often, often, often criticized, 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 criticized on several grounds, several grounds. Then you put a colon, as I have told you for the first answer. Then after the colon, change the line and put subpart 1. Subpart 1 and write subpart 1, right. Leaders keep on changing, in a democracy, resulting in instability. Instability is a single word, instability, instability in the government, full stop. Point number 2, right. Democracy is all about political competitions, and power play, full stop. There is, there is no scope of morality, morality, full stop. Next point, point number 3. Point number 3, right. In a democracy, comma, as people have to be consulted, consulted, comma, it leads, leads to delay, delay in decision making, full stop. Point number 4, right. Democracy leads, L-E-A-D-S, leads to corruption. Democracy leads to corruption, C-O-R-R-U-P-T-I-O-N, corruption, as it is based on electoral competition, full stop. And one more point, that is point number 5, right? The elected leaders, I don't know if I am paused, I don't know who has done this. If I am paused, I don't know who has done this. Right. The elected leaders do not know, K-N-O-W, the elected leaders do not know the best interests of the people, and as such leads to L-E-A-D-S, leads to bad decisions, full stop. Yes, okay, thank you very much.